Welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about how you can manage services. So to manage services in Linux, systemctl. Systemctl is the utility that is used most commonly to manage services, to start, stop, and to configure the services so that the service can be start during the reboot. So in this video, we will discuss more about the how you can manage the services in the Linux system. So please keep watch this video till the end. And if you not subscribe this channel, so please subscribe this channel also so that you can never miss an update for my upcoming videos. So let me start the tutorial. Let's say you want to check the status of a particular service. So you can just simply check by the command like systemctl. Then you have to mention then the service name. So in place of service name, you can mention any service name. Let's say I want to check the status of HTTPD, which is Apache server. So this will show me the current status of service. So let me, because this is, let me zoom out so that you can zoom in, so you will be able to see the status. Me open another term. You can also use multiple terminals in the Linux. So this is also a very help, as well as it will increase your accuracy perfections. So you can use multiple terminals at the same time to manage services, logs, troubleshooting purpose. So let's take the status of a service. So status HTTPD. You can see my services active and running. And this is showing me the status of the service. Like you can see the service name, then load it. This is showing me the full path of the service, and it is showing me enabled vendor percent disabled active. This is showing me the timing since Tuesday and the timing EST 14 minutes ago. So my service is running since 40 minutes. So this is showing me various kind of information. Box you can refer. Process, this is showing me the PID, when exit stop, bin kill, and this main PID. It is showing me main PID and process, and it is showing me also the some of the logs also. So this is a very good and powerful utility check and manage the service status. So let me move ahead. Let's say you want to stop a particular service, so you have to mention CTL, sorry, systemctl, then stop in the service name. Let's say I want to stop HTTPD. So this command will stop the service. So this will take a little bit time. So let me check again the status service. Status HTTPD. So right now my status of service is inactive or dead. And since you can see 10-second arrow. So right now my service is stopped, and this is showing me also the logs also. You can check here. So this simple command will show you the status along with logs entries also. So as you can see, this is showing me at 20:26 4 seconds my service is stopping, and at 5 seconds my HTTP server has been stopped. So in this way you can check. So let's say you want to start again the service, so you have to just simply press start, then the service name. So this will start the service. Check the status HTTP. So as you can see, my service has been started and it is active and running since 10 seconds ago. And you can also see the logs entry which is started. Let's say you want to restart a particular service, so you have to mention just simply restart. So this will restart your service. And let's say you want to sometimes happen like when your system gets rebooted, so your service, so if you are not enable your service, so your service will not be start again after reboot of the system. So to maintain like your service should be start during the reboot, so you have to enable the service. So to enable service, before enabling, you can just simply check whether your service is already enabled or not. So you can check with the help of the simple command systemctl is enabled is enabled and the service name. So this will show me the status of the enabled disabled. If your service is already enabled, so this will show you the enabled, or if not enabled, so this will show you that also. Let me hit enter and check. So as you can see, my service is already enabled. So first let me disable my service. CTL disable. Let me check again the status. System CTL is enabled. So this time this will show me disabled. So my service is not enabled right now, and this will not start if my system get rebooted. So to so to configure your service that your service should start at the reboot time, so you have to enable. So let me enable now. CTL enable the service name. So if when you enable your service, so this will create a symlink from the this path like multi-user target to USR live system D to this your service location. So this will create a symlink, so your service will be automatically started during the reboot. So this is very powerful utility to manage services. So let me again stop the service, stop HTTP. you want to you want to start and enable at the same time without why just one command. So you can just simply do this with the help of ctl and enable hyphen now and the service name. So this will enable also. Let me enter. Let me check systemctl status http. You can also see right this is also enabled. And you can also check with the help of this command each enabled. So this is enabled. So this is the simple command like enable now. So with the help of this just one command you can start as well as enable your so your service will automatically start if your system will reboot. So these are some of the commands to manage services. So I hope you enjoy this, keep learning and keep watching again. If you have any doubts, so you can comment me. Thanks again for watching.